So how do you add custom alarms on the iPhone in a sleep? Let's explain that. If you are first time on Foxtecc, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials which are going to help you out. So at first you have the regular alarms inside of the clock application, and at the bottom you can see we have the alarms. You can set it up like that. So really not a big of a deal. But on the other hand, you can also check out the settings and the focus section, part of which is the sleep schedule. And in there, you can manage your entire sleeping focus, which you probably are referring to. And in there, you can set up your schedule like that. You have your wind down period. You can check it out like that. And you also have the alarm options at the bottom. So you can enable the alarm like that. And you can also choose the sound, the volume, the snooze ability, and also the snooze duration. So that's where you get to manage every single part of that. So that's like the way to change and add alarms in the sleep, right? So if you want to add it through the sleeping focus, you can go in here. If you want to add another alarm for the night, you can just go back to the regular alarm clock application and set up your alarms there. And still, you have the ability to check out the App Store and get some third-party alarm applications, right? So you are going to be able to download even third-party apps which can wake you up. For example, I have been using Alarmy in the past, which is an application which makes you perform some tasks to make sure you are fully awake before you cancel the alarm. So I find that to be very useful, in fact. So you can check out one of these options, but if you have something very specific which I did not cover in this video, I recommend you to leave that below in the comments, because it's possible I'll make an updated video about it. I make so many tutorials because I want to help you out as much as I can. So let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.